Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to insert multiple documents to a MongoDB collection from a Node.js application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor to add my application code. I am going to first create a .env file where I am going to add my connection string. I am going to call the environment variable as MongoDB_URI, and this is where I am going to add my connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. We are going to connect from an application, so click drivers. Node.js is already selected and I have installed MongoDB driver already. So now copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. You need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved my changes. Now I am going to write my application code. I am going to call it as app.js. First we need to get the MongoDB driver. Require MongoDB. Then we need to require the .env because we are going to load the environment variables. Okay. Now let's get the URI. Now let's get the client. New Mongo client. We need to pass the URI to it. Okay, and then we are going to insert documents to a students collection which is part of the UniDB. So const DB name is going to be university, and const collection name is going to be students. Okay, and then const students collection equal to client dot db. We need to give the db name, and then dot collection, we need to give the collection name. Okay, all good. Now let us create an array of the document which we want to insert. Docs to insert. So this is going to be an array. So actually I am going to enter two documents. First is student with ID 170. Okay, and then the name. Okay, I'm going to give the name as Arul. Okay, then age is going to be 20. Okay, then we need to give the gender. So gender male. Okay, give the grade. We need to give it as A. Okay, the next we need to give the marks. Marks is again an array. Okay, first I'm going to give English marks, which is going to be 78. Okay, and then I'm going to give the lang marks, which I'm going to give 87, and then I'm going to give the max marks. Okay, which I'm going to give it as 89. Okay, so this we have given for one student. Okay, so now let's add it for the next student. Okay, so again I'm going to give student ID, so which I'm going to give it as 171. And then we need to give name this thing, I'm going to give it as Manju. Okay, then age, so 19. Okay, then we need to give gender, to give it as female. Okay, and then grade, I'm going to give it as B. Okay, then we need to give the marks. Again it is an array. So first I'm going to give the English marks, which is going to be 67, and then I'm going to give the lang marks, which again 56, and then I'm going to give the max marks, which I'm going to give it So now we have created an array with 2 documents which I'm going to insert. Okay, so now I'm going to create the main function. Function main. Okay, first we're going to add the try. Okay, first we need to establish the client connection, client dot connect. Okay, then I'm going to do a console.log successfully connected. Okay, so then I'm going to insert. Okay, so result, want the result to be printed, so I'm just using a result variable. So now I'm going to do await, then students dot insert mini, and then I'm going to give the docs to insert. Okay, so then I'm going to print console.log. Okay, so here inserted. Okay, then I'm going to say result dot inserted count. Okay, documents. Okay, so then I'm going to add a catch. I'm going to say error console dot error, then error. Okay, then finally await client dot close. Okay, all good. Now let's invoke the main function. So here again I'm going to have a catch. So here I'm going to give console dot error. Okay, and then I'm going to finally, so where it will be client dot close. Okay, all good. Saving the changes. Now I'm going to execute the program. Okay, node app.js. The program got executed successfully, and we could see we were able to successfully establish connection to the MongoDB, and we have inserted 2 documents. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB cluster from a Node.js application and insert multiple documents to a collection. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.